Hey guys, Sharon Ashims over here. So today I'd like to share my 3 minutes popcorn recipe. This is a healthy snack that's actually helped my weight loss journey. I love snacking, so this is actually nice. So in a ceramic bowl, add your popping corn, a handful of your popping corn. Don't add much because trust me, this is going to rise to the occasion. So select out any unwanted corn or whatever. I said this is my personal recipe, so I'll be adding this vanilla butternut flavor and caramel flavor. These two combos are body in taste and aroma, trust me. So I'll be adding a teaspoon of both flavors. So this is the first time I'm adding sugar to my popcorn. I don't take sugar, but my partner in this popcorn consumption has a very sweet tooth, so I had to add sugar, and henceforth I'm adding sugar to all my popcorn because the taste was something else, trust me. So next thing, I'm adding cooking margarine to the mixture. You can add as much as you want. So quick story, formally, this is just the only ingredient I add to my popcorn, but after this recipe I am never going back. So while you're sitting with somebody's son, I lost concentration and I added milk to this. Please do not add milk yet. So after this, after all my ingredients are together, butter, flavor and sugar, I am going to cover the plate with a plastic wrap and then don't get into the microwave. Almost done, people, almost done. So I'm going to set the microwave to popcorn, which is 2 minutes 50 seconds, and I'm going to click on the start button and let this pop. So we're going to be back. We're back. So our popcorn, it's ready. So I'm just going to sprinkle I'm just going to splash a lot of powdered milk on it, as much as you want, and let's consume. Enjoy this recipe while remaining obedient and useful. Bye.